Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Apriliano here. Today, what we're going to be working on is Fundations. This is an introductory lesson to Unit 8. In Unit 8, what we're going to be talking about are blends and what they are and how we can spell them and how we can read them. So before we start to get started with blends, what I want to do is I want to warm up a little bit. And we are going to warm up with our basic keywords chart, our sounds and letters chart. So what I'd want to do is I'm going to share my screen with you. And we are going to look at my chart that I have here. Now, remember, when we do our sounds, I say it first and then you repeat it. So what I want to do is I want to do our vowels first, and then we'll do some letters, not all the letters. We're just going to do some letters that can, where the sounds can be a little bit tricky. So let's start with the vowels first. A, apple, a. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. U, up, up. Now we're going to do some consonants. B, bat, b. F, fun. G, game, g. J, jug, j. Q, U, queen, qua. W, wind, w. Okay, now what we're going to do is move on to our digraphs. Digraphs are two consonants that make one sound. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. Nice job, boys and girls. Okay, so let's move on to blends. Now, what we've been working on in the past is I want to show you the difference between a digraph, which is two consonants that make one sound, and in a blend, each consonant, it's when two or more consonants are together and they make their own sound. Let me show you the difference. So I'm going to build a word, and we are going to tap it. So I've built this word, and now we are going to tap this word together. Ready? Sh, I, p, sh, I, p, ship. Okay, now notice this word has three taps, right? Because the SH is making one sound. Now I'm going to show you a blend. Okay, Ready? Now we're going to tap this word. S, o, I, p, s, o, I, p, slip. Now, the S and the L are together. They're next to each other, but they each have their own sound. Therefore, they each get tapped. The S is tapped, S. The L is tapped, O. The I is tapped, I. P. The P is tapped. Okay, so this is showing the blend is SL in this word. Okay, it's coming before the vowel. All right, let's get some practice with those. So let's look at another word. Let's look at this word. Okay, so let's tap this. B, ag, brag. Where's the blend? The B and the R each have their own sound, but they're blended together. Brr, b, ag, brag. Okay, there's the blend. Now I'm going to show you how we would mark the blend. You are going to underline the B and underline the R, and that's how we mark a blend. Now I'm going to use my finger because I have no erasers here. That's what home learning is like. And I'm going to put these back and I'm going to build another word with a blend. All right, ready? Let's do this one. Let's see if you can see where the blend is. Okay, so let's tap this one. S, n, t, s, n, t, scent. Now the blend is after the vowel. N-T is my blend. S-E-N-T, scent. So we see here that this N-T is the blend. Each letter makes its own sound. Let's try another one. Board clean. Okay, ready? Here we go. We're going to tap this one. Ooh, it, p, lip. Where's the blend? It's in the beginning of the word. F, L is the blend before the vowel. Okay, let's build another one. Right now, you should just be tapping these with me, working with me. And ready? Let's tap this one. Ask. Ask. Mask. Where's the blend? Now it's at the end of the word. I would mark the blend by underlining those two consonants at the end. Okay, nice work. Aren't blends exciting? I think they're so fun. I love them. This is like big reading. Very exciting. All right, so I'm gonna cross that out. All right, now, what I'm gonna ask you to do is I would tell you at this point, if you'd like, you may pause the video and get a pen and paper. And I'm going to dictate some words to you with blends, and you can practice. And I'm only going to dictate 4 words. Okay, so I'm going to dictate them, and then I will build them, and you can check your work. Okay, just like we would practice. And you can do this if you have paper or if you have a whiteboard and markers, that works too. Either way, totally works. So I'm going to let you pause the video, go and get your materials, and then come back. Did you pause it? Go ahead and pause it. Okay. Now we're going to play. Okay, so now I'm going to dictate some words to you. You are going to write them in your books, and then we're going to check them together, okay? Or write them in your whiteboard or write them on your paper. All right, the first word is the word must. Say must. Tap must. Must. Spell must. Okay, so write it on your papers. Okay, now I'm going to spell the word must, and I'm going to build it on my board just because I don't want to get my fingers dirty by dry erasing it. Must. And I'm going to mark my blend that's at the end of the word ST. Okay, so make sure that that is on your whiteboard or on your paper. Okay, ready? Let's try another one. Same thing. You do it first, and then I will do it. Get my letters back. Jeez. All right, here comes the next one. Are you ready? Your pencil or your marker? The next word is best. Say best. Tap best. 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 Spell best. Okay. Ready to check it? Make sure you underlined the blend. Here we go. Best. Check yours. Is it the same as mine? I'm going to underline my blend. Give yourselves a check if it is. Ciao. All right, ready? Let's do another one. Say drop. Tap, drop. Drop. Right, drop. Make sure you underline the blend. Okay. Drop. I'm going to underline my blend that's in the beginning of the word. DR. Okay. One more word we're going to do today. Messy. Grop. I just spelled away as I put those away. Okay, last one. Say pond. Say pond. Tap pond. 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 Spell pond. Okay, are you ready? Let's check it. Remember, you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast. Pond. Make sure you check your D. Make sure your D is going the right way. Remember? Come on, let me see if I can get, there we go. B-d. So I'm going to underline my N and D in pond because that is the blend. All right, now I'm going to make sure if you've got that correct, you give yourself a check. Correct it. If you didn't have it correct, you can make those corrections. This is not a test, it's just practice. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen so that you can just see me. I think you can see me, I can see you. So thank you very much for joining me today in Unit 8. Day 1, Introduction to Blends. You'll find in the reading section of Google Classroom the Unit 8 homework support pack. Please work on that. The activities in there will really help guide you through this Unit 8 Foundations, and I'll try to pepper some lessons along as we go. So thank you very much, and happy reading and happy spelling.